Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to see about topic sneeze reflex. Okay, what is sneeze? So sneeze is the involuntary. So it is not voluntary expulsion. It is an involuntary expulsion of air. Okay, so that air may be contain any irritant. Okay, so these are all at nose. So this causes the sneeze. Okay, what are all the causes of sneeze? So the causes of sneeze is first is irritation to the mucus of the nose. Okay, so in our nose we have some mucus. So that mucus are having some irritation means then it causes the sneeze. Other reason is excess fluid content in the airway. In trachea or in any region, excess fluid content is that then it causes the sneeze. Okay, how the this involuntary expulsion of air happens? We all know this is the reflex, so it is happening involuntarily. Okay, so for that we have some components of sneeze reflex. First component is sneeze receptors. Okay, what is sneeze receptors? I already said the nasal mucosa having some irritation, then it is felt by the nasal mucosa and the olfactory receptors, then it also acts as a receptors. So these carry the irritation message to the afferent nerves. So afferent nerves transmit the sensation to the brain, okay, to the center. So who are all act under the nerves? Trigeminal nerve and the olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve. Okay, then come to the sneeze center. So where the sneezing process happening? So sneeze center is the medulla of the brain. Okay, so in our brainstem we have medulla. That medulla is the center for the sneeze. Then come to the efferent nerves. So the medulla tells some response. So that response is carried out by the efferent nerves. So what are all the nerve is the trigeminal nerve and the vagus nerve. Then the response is carried out by the trigeminal nerve and the vagus nerve. The response is the contraction of the muscles, some muscles. So that is the effector muscles. Effector muscles. So who are all the muscles? For sneezing, our pharyngeal muscles, tracheal, and respiratory muscles are responsible. So these muscles are contracted and getting the sneeze reflex. Okay, every reflex has an arc, right? So now we are going to discuss about the sneeze reflex arc. Okay, first we have the irritation to the nasal mucosa. Irritation of nasal mucosa. So this is the first process happening. So this is carried by the trigeminal nerve. Okay, to the sneezing center. So sneezing center is nothing but it is a lateral medulla part. Lateral part of medulla. Okay. Okay. Not only the irritation of the nasal mucosa, uh, increased nasal secretion. Okay, which means increased fluid in the nasal area and lacrimation. So lacrimation is nothing but when we cry, some of the tears will go into the nose, right? So that is called the lacrimation. Okay. So these also act as a irritant to the nasal mucosa. Okay. If the sneeze center has two choice, one choice it transmits the signal to the parasympathetic nuclei, or else it transmits the signal to the motor nuclei. When it transmits the signal to the motor nuclei, somatic motor nerves are activated. So it activates the effector muscles. Somatic motor nerves are activated here. If the sneezing reflex is carried the message to the parasympathetic nuclei, then it also increases the nasal secretion and lacrimation. So this is carried out by the parasympathetic nerves. So here actively the sneezing has not occurred. So again the secretion is increased, so it makes the cold. Okay, like that. So this is the sneeze reflex organ. Okay, let's discuss about the mechanism of the sneeze reflex. Mechanism is the same like as the cough reflex. Okay, first we have a deep inspiration. Okay, then we have to close the mouth, right? So for closing the mouth, so the internal interthoracic pressure should be increased to expel the air, right? So for that our mouth is closed. How it is closed? It is not by the epiglottis and all. It is closed by the soft palate and uvula. Okay, uvula depressed கொஞ்சம், a little bit depressed. Then air is trapped by trapped means air is not getting out. Okay, so in that time the exit passages like nasopharynx is also closed, and oral cavity is also shut off. Air is getting trapped, and so deep inspiration gives the air, that air is getting trapped inside, and again glottis is opened. Okay, so glottis is opened followed by the expulsion of the irritant. Irritant is expelled from nose and the mouth at a high pressure. So irritant is expelled from the nose and the mouth. So the high pressure is happening here. So before this mechanism starts, there should be a irritation to the nasal mucosa. So in cough reflex, we said irritation to the trachea or bronchi leading to the cough, whereas nasal mucosa leading to the sneeze. Okay, these are all. Coughing is the reflex, but it can be controlled by voluntarily. But sneezing cannot be controlled by voluntarily. Okay. Thanks for watching. In this video we just discussed about the sneezing reflex. In last video we discussed about the coughing reflex. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.